Welcome back. And today we're going to talk about the staggering cost of waiting or procrastinating to buy a income property for investors. Right. So without further ado, let's go ahead and share my screen. Here we are. So right now is January 2025. Another year go by, another year, another dollar. The first 2% of your year is almost gone. Every week that passes, another 2% disappears. By the time February rolls around, 10% of the year will be already behind you. Every week of inaction adds to the cost of achieving your dreams. Want to lose 40 pounds by the end of the year? Waiting until March makes the journey harder. Wait, want to add $2,200 of monthly passive income in 2025? Again, waiting until June makes that goal even steeper. Every 2% chunk of the year, you either brings you closer to your dreams or further from them. If you're comfortable letting them slip away, you're probably okay paying the price of inaction. If you're serious about turning your goals into reality, you need a system to convert those 2% chunks into dream makers. The worst mental habit on earth is, I'll start Monday on the 1st, etc., etc. All you're doing is giving yourself false comfort and feelings of accomplishment by kicking the can further down the road. 9 times out of 10, when that day comes, a new skill comes up and resets this vicious cycle. Income property, right? What you could above the surface is what you see: rental passive income, cash flow, and appreciation over time. What 60 to 70% of the financial iceberg associated with owning a great income property is what you cannot see is below the surface of the iceberg. Depreciation, tax benefits, using leverage, fixed rate 30-year fixed rate mortgage, and let your tenant pay down your mortgage over time. And of course, equity growth and principal pay down. Income property is history's most attractive, powerful, and proven multi-dimensional real estate investment asset class. I know it's a mouthful. 4 ways you can benefit, as I discussed on the previous slide. Cash flow over time increases, rental inflation, tax benefits, okay, appreciation, equity growth, and the power of leverage of using a 30-year fixed rate mortgage. Down the road, look, you can't compare the real estate asset class with a single family home property, especially versus any other asset class. Over time, on a historical basis, there's really no comparison, mainly because of leverage, using the power of financing, using other people's money, the lender in financing your purchase. You're only putting 20 to 25% down payment. Once you own at least one income property, down the road, you can always do different things. There's no other asset class you can change up your income property. I'm not going to go over all these great topics, but all these are great entrance and exit strategies. You can pause this slideshow to dive deeper into some of this detailed stuff I have no time to go over. Okay. Again, tax benefit, which is, I know everybody's situation is very, very different, but you can, once you obtain one or more of the income property over time, when you scale and increase your real estate portfolio across real estate markets, across asset class, and diversify your real estate investments, then you can take advantage of all different type of tax aspects, which I'm not going to go over because I'm not a qualified tax advisor, consult one, but the tremendous amount of tax benefit in addition to the other dimensions of benefits of equity of owning a income property. So at the best way to buy an income property is to buy at the beginning of development in a particular market. Do your research. Buy at the early stage. Buy in the path of growth before the home prices skyrocket. So today, one such market in which there are many other markets in good areas. I'm not going to go over that. You can watch my other YouTube channels. Feel free to do so. And like and subscribe, by the way, and comment as always in each of my video. I appreciate that. I'm trying to grow my channel. However, today, the highlight of today's video, to avoid procrastination and inaction and stop waiting on the sideline, is one of the market is North Texas. Again, read it on your own. North Texas is one of the, if not the fastest growing housing market in the country, especially for real estate investors, mom and pop. Again, read all the data on your own. I'm not going to go over it, but all these numerical metrics really are very, very extremely attractive. North Texas, Texas in general, is right now is the fourth largest metro in the country. In about 30 years or so, Dallas will be the highest is the biggest metro in the country, bigger than New York City, bigger than Los Angeles County and Orange County combined, and bigger than Chicago, bigger than wherever in the country in about 30 years. Right now is already one of the biggest. Massive growth, consistent growth due to business moving in here, population and job growth. Everything. Again, you can read about it. All the data are in front of you. You can pause this slideshow to dive deeper, do more research if necessary. So Texas has more Fortune 500 companies than any other metro in the country. Great to do business. Massive influx of people are moving into North Texas. Massive migration, massive job growth, high-tech hub in North Texas in the suburb path of growth, emerging market, small town USA. As you can see, all the numbers absolutely staggering. All right. Massive growth for years and years to come. But right now is the best time because these sub-markets, these boom towns, if you will, this small town USA in the deep suburbs of North Texas is absolutely skyrocketing, is absolutely incredible growth. And the areas that you should target in North Texas, 1 hour north of Dallas-Fort Worth Metro, is Denison, Bottom, Greenville, and Sherman. Historic appreciation for 2025 and beyond, 2024 and beyond. Grayson County, Collin County, just to name a few. Median price is very low. Right now is such an affordable home prices for real estate investors like yourself. Not much longer. These prices are about to surge. How much? I do not know. No one have a crystal ball. But based on the trends and the data, it is very, very obvious this region is going through some massive appreciation. The fastest growing cities, according to U.S. Census Bureau in North Texas. Look, again, all these small little boom towns growing exponentially because of massive job growth, migration, high-tech jobs, all kind of jobs, really, all in North Texas, among the top 10. All these small cities you may not know about. These names you will know about. These towns will be overwhelmed by the massive growth in the next few years and beyond. North Texas, fastest growing cities in the country, according to U.S. Census Bureau. And the highlight of the growth is absolutely amazing. In the city of Sherman, we have seen semiconductor plants propel Sherman into a high-tech future. In a city of only 45,000 has landed 2 multi-billion-dollar projects that will cement its place as a semiconductor manufacturing hub. It is called Silicon Alley or Silicon Valley, which is a new Silicon Valley here in North Texas, Sherman in particular, and the surge is spreading into the neighboring small towns which I already alluded to. The name of the top companies are about to move in: Texas already moved in, Texas Instruments and Globee Tech. Texas Instrument will add 3,000 very high income, high tech jobs. They need to find the workers to move into Sherman. Total investment, $30 billion. Globee Tech to add 1,500 high level jobs. Massive, massive growth. This is just two of the small sample. There are other companies are moving into North Texas. We're just highlighting two of the biggest high-tech semiconductor manufacturing hub. Furthermore, North Texas, for obvious reasons, is a massive housing shortage, and it'll take a long while before supply catch up with demand. Economics 101: when the demand is higher than supply, it will put upward pressure on home prices. All right? Economics 101, something that they should have taught you back in 6th grade. Again, all this data, I'm not going to go over. Again, you pause the slideshow and digest this massive information. Fastest growth, fastest migration, all these little towns. Just keep in mind, Salina, Princeton, Anna, Melissa. These little towns, little boom towns, you may not be familiar right now, but hey, you will very, very soon. Exponential growth, skyrocketing growth beyond anybody's imagination. I've been doing this for several decades of helping risk investors to buy in different markets over the years, and have never seen such a market as in North Texas. It's just absolutely mind-boggling. You could look at all this data. It's just overwhelming. Silicon Valley, tech boom in North Texas. All the data will support that. Do your research, substantiate everything, validate everything. Okay. 1,000 people move to Texas every day, and most of them are moving to North Texas. Again, we have long-term relationship with builders, national and local builders. We have a network of off-market, below-value new construction properties. Okay, in North Texas, 95% of the property we sell are off-market, new construction, single-family homes, 2 to 4 units mainly, and small multi-family properties. Why are so many investors are drawn to Dallas, North Texas? Our team of Turnkey provider, one-stop shop, umbrella, offers tailored guidance and mentorship to our mom and pop real estate investors. We have new construction, single-family homes start in a low $200K. How cool is that? Where else in the country can you find that? Nowhere else. I will save you the type of research. You don't need to. Well, go ahead, research, validate, and feature lucrative year one tax savings and builder concessions, including interest rate buy down and cash towards closing. Amazing builder incentives we have with our builders, with our turnkey provider, with our team in North Texas. Bar none, read my lips. We have select up and coming pockets around the metroplex of North Texas that offer great potential for future appreciation and rent growth, allowing investors to quote unquote to snowball their equity faster over time. The team that we have in-house professional property management is also offering 1 year of free property management. Our team, by the way, been around in North Texas for more than 20 years. They are the top property management company in Texas, really, especially in North Texas. And the owner of our team, Key Property Management, she and her husband own $40 million of investment real estate in North Texas and elsewhere in the country. That equate to like 200 homes. She individually owns approximately 200 homes, a combination of single-family homes, brand new constructions, or newer homes over the past 10 years. and duplex, triplex, and some vacation homes, mostly in North Texas, but her portfolio is spread out, in different part of the country. But I'm not asking you to own $44 million homes or 200 properties in your portfolio, although you could do that. There's no limit, right? Based on how much capital you have and how you leverage your equity over time to scale. You can scale, my expectation for Turnkey risk investors, regardless of where you live in the country, you can buy long distance, remote into this particular market. If you able to buy 3 to 5 of these turnkey cash flow, new construction properties, single families or whatever, then over time, then you should be good. Although many of you have the ability to buy more, once you get comfortable with your experience level. Absolutely amazing. Let's continue. One sample, again, this kind of listings, this kind of off-market listings changes on a daily basis. This is the off-market inventories we have available at any given time, throughout the North Texas, not just Sherman, okay? But here are some of the samples. Okay, nice cookie cutter homes, brand new, A+ location, A tenants, A locations, A- school district. Cookie cutter, real good, cash flow very well, easy to rent. Cash flow is getting higher as people are moving into this area on a consistent daily basis as we move forward beyond 2025. 2025 will be below. Amazing builder incentive you're not going to find anywhere. See, don't worry, this property has been vetted, has been researched, the neighborhoods, the location, everything our team have done on your behalf because they've been doing it for 20 years. They are managing upwards of about 1,000 properties for our out-of-state investors. It just is mind-boggling. This pricing will go up surely due to the tremendous pressures of influx of people, surging of people are moving to these affordable markets in North Texas. Because if you talk about it inside Dallas, prices are very, very high already, skyrocketing. Home prices growth in the past few years, in the past 5 to 10 years, from Dallas to Frisco to McKinney, all these markets, 45 minutes below these areas, the price is way too high already. Single family homes like $400,000 to $500,000, but we are buying this mid 200K homes as of now. That's the nice sweet spot, if you will. This is the pro forma. I'm not gonna spend too much time on it, but suffice to say, all these numbers off the chart. You put 25 to 30% down payment, get financing with our preferred lender, so you can get all the builder incentive. With all the builder incentive I just talked about, look at the monthly net cash flow is almost $500. We talk about 7% cap rate and 8% cash on cash return. This is mind-boggling. And our team had the liberty of putting together a 3-year strategy. You can potentially cash out refinance after 3, 4, 5 years. Do a cash out refinance tax-free, of course, to leverage into more properties. That's how you leverage. So all these numbers are clear to you. Go ahead and digest this. I know this is unofficial numbers. It's just a projection, pro forma, if you will, but this is typical. We would not promote any properties which does not cash flow. Again, A+ tenant, the tenant will most likely going to stay way more than a year of lease. That's what's happening. All right. So that's all I need to say. Right. There are more listings off market. There are more pro formas, more properties, not only in Sherman, but all the neighboring small towns that we just mentioned, Denison, of course, Sherman itself. And then we have Princeton, Texas, and we have, we have listings all over the North Texas. It's just too many inventory listings, opportunities to list. But suffice to say, this is it. The bottom line is the cost of inaction, the cost of waiting on the sideline, the cost of procrastination is devastating. It's staggering. Take action wherever you are, wherever you're located in the country. Work with our team, work with myself, contact myself, right? And then you will see. Visit the area as well. We have tours. We have a self-guided tour and we have a tour with our team locally. And once you come over for a 1 or 2 day tour, and we have our team going to accompany you, and you will see, you tour the submarkets we have, and it'll blow your mind. Once our investors buy their first property with this team in North Texas, if they have additional capital resources available, most likely they have a great chance to buy more because their experience is so great. And they're motivated to buy second and third and fourth rental property. But you got to get in and buy the first one. So it's all about your motivation, your ability to overcome fear. This is this market have very high return, very low risk. Giving all the data I just shared with you, tremendous appreciation for the future. And, the next few years is a window of opportunity because based on the home appreciation potential, soon you can't cash flow anymore in 2 or 3 years. So the urgency is to take action now because before prices will skyrocket and the rent will not catch up with the rising prices. Therefore, we cannot promote some of these properties we have available right now. All right. So thank you so much. Hope you receive a lot of value from this video. If you have, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel, and also put your email below to my website below on the body of the subscription, so you could become a free member of our real estate and investment network. Then you will receive daily morning email in your email inbox to learn more about real estate investment opportunities. Of course, my contact information below. If you're really motivated, committed, contact me directly. We can do a free consultation by phone, FaceTime, or Zoom video so I can understand your goals and objectives. And then if you qualify, if you're committed, if you're dedicated, if you're serious, and then we'll get you going. We get you connected to our team so you can start buying your first and subsequent rental property so you can achieve your financial independence for the next 10 to 15 years. All right. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.